Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's open for the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone bottom. Just to activate silent mode, you should slide to the left side this white dot on the ring volume panel. You should move this volume panel. You could also make it by another way. Just open the control panel and here you'll see sound icon. Click to this icon twice. We could see now that our phone is muted, so this means that the silent mode enabled successfully. To turn it off, click to silent to switch it to the sound one. And also you could just press up or down volume button and you will see here this bell icon. Click here twice. Now our calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode enabled. To turn it off, click to press bell, switch it to the normal one, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring, so this means that the silent mode disabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.